Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, 2nd October 1869, 13 January 1948, was born in India. Leads the anti-colonial nationalist and political atheist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India independence from British rule. Born and raised in the Hindu family in coastal Gujarat, Western India, Gandhi was trained in law at the Inner Temple, London, and called to the wars at age 22 in June 1891. After 2 uncertain years in there was never to start a successful law practice, he moved to South Africa. In 1893, to represent an India merchant his lawsuit, he went on to the stay for 21st year. He was in South Africa that Gandhi raised a family and first employed nonviolent resistance in the Companion for Civil Rights. In 1950, age 45, he returned to India. He set about organizing peasant farmers and urban areas to protest against excessive land tax and discrimination, assuming leadership of the Indian National Congress. In 1921, Gandhi led nationwide campaign for easy poverty, expanding women right, building religious and ethnic community, expanding untouchability, and the above all the achieving Swaraj from self. Rules the same years Gandhi adapted the Indian cloth, the short dhoti, and in the winter in shawls, both in the winter to solve both women's with earned hand spoons on the traditional India spinning wells on charka as a mark of identification with India's rural poor. He lived modernist in the self-sufficient residential community, ate simple vegetarian food, and undertook long fast of the means of self purification and nationalism to the common India. Gandhi led to the challenge of the British imposed salt tax was the 40 kilometer to 50 millions Dandi March in 1931, and later in calling for the British to quit India in 1942. He was impressed from the many years upon many occasions in both the Africa and India's there was made his best effort to improve. So, a lot of the India underwent all the suffering but remained understood in his convenience. He could not bear the invariable flight of the Indian masses suffering from the starvation under during British rule in order to uproot the Britisher from the India.